Cover it on.
Yeah, just brush the inside of the lip with it.
We're doing like all the way down there?
Yeah, all the way down here and then up and around.
Not like there.
Yeah, something like that. Okay. So just like lay it on thick, like do it quickly, because we've got to... This stuff's like drying now. I think it's got about 10 minutes.
Is that good?
Yep, start slapping on it on the things now. Probably coat this one with it first. Pour a strip, probably pour a bit on it first. Yeah, probably any more than that. Yeah, that'll be right. Start pushing it around with the brush. And this will start to get like the polyester will dissolve the glue holding the chop strand together then. Make sure you get all the way the edges because the glue won't dissolve around the edge then, and you'll have like it'll still be stiff because it's got like a stiff border around it.
Yeah, okay.
It's not a stiff sheet anymore.
Throw her in.
Yep, stick it in. Use the brush to like poke it in all the edges. Yeah, once it's on, don't brush it because it'll just start pulling it apart. So just stick just push it with the brush, like the end of the bristles. Push it into the corners. Yeah, like that. All right, next piece.
Okay. Where's this one going?
I don't know. You can try and get it in there, like so the middle's over where the broken piece is. We'll just keep adding fiberglass till we run out of resin. Yeah. I'll try. Probably maybe use a butterfly stick to try and jam it in there. Because we can always cut, like if it goes around in the front, we'll cut it and sand it down or whatever. Yeah, it'll be right. It'll give it some form of reinforcement anyway.
Yeah, it's not really sticking though.
Yeah. Well, we'll just keep going.
Will that stick, do you reckon?
Yeah, we'll push. Once we've got it all laid in there, we'll start pushing it all down with the brush. Yeah, that'll help being jammed in there.
Let's leave that there.
Yep, probably. That'll do. Next piece. We're technically putting on too much resin on this, but that doesn't matter. It makes it slightly stronger, but it makes it a lot heavier. But normally just slap heaps on there because it makes it easier. If you're making something like super light, you'd like weigh the resin per square meter, per like square centimeter of fiberglass, and it'd be measured out.
Yeah.
Making light stuff. Yeah, so get the brush now and try and poke down as much air out of it as you can. We'll probably just put the heater on it while it sits here.
So much resin.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll all go hard. Hopefully that should be right. I don't know if you reckon it's most of the air probably out of it.